Yogast Bhav. Myself, Yogi Buddhadev from Yogas Foundation. Yogas Foundation, as you know, is a registered social, cultural, educational, and spiritual organization dedicated to the cause of human health, development of human potentials, making and enabling the one to go fully in consciousness, and finally stay yogast. Staying yogast means staying wisdomful, blissful, and creative. Fundamentally, this very organization is dedicated for the spiritual, for the growth of spiritual awareness and consciousness of the humans, of the human beings of the world. For this very purpose, the Yogas Foundation brings time to time its primary and basic course, which is known as Yogast course, or you may say Yogas Foundation course. This very foundation course makes you aware of your essential nature, that is Satchidananda, your very basic nature. And secondly, you come to know what Yogasthita means. What is meant by being Yogast? What is actually Yogast? Generally, people think that Yogast is something to do something with yogic practices, to do yogasan, pranayam, mudra, bandh, and all. Of course, this stuff is definitely yogic stuff. But being Yogast differs slightly here. Being Yogast means that you are established in yoga eternally, that you are established in such a consciousness where you stay blissful, you stay centered, you stay in equilibrium, you stay in samatha, you stay in balance, and you face the up and downs, the eventful situations and circumstances of life in a very stable manner. You remain stable throughout your life. And such is the life of a yogi, and that is why he must be called Yogast. So the purpose of this very course and the purpose of the Yogas Foundation is to enable every human being on this planet Earth to stay centered, to stay stable, to stay in equilibrium, to stay in equanimity, whatever happens within you or around you. So this very foundation lays the foundation for a seeker to come to the world of spirituality, and this very course is the gateway, the door to the spirituality. It's a door to being Yogast. So I welcome all, especially my students who have already done this very course, to repeat it again, to recharge themselves again, and I also welcome the newcomers, the new entrants, to come and taste the nectar of being Yogast, stay blissful, stay in freedom, stay in creativity all the time, eternally. So this much is enough, and rest I will be explaining in this very course. You will be given a very great kriya, that is the Yogast kriya, meditative kriya, by which, practicing which, you can in a very effortless manner attain the state of Yogasthita. Yes, it's a fact, it's a scientific fact. The kriya which is given to you, it is very scientific spiritually, and together with it there is a full length explanation of the term Yogast or Yogasthita, I would say. So please, you all are welcome once again. Hari Om Tat Sat, Yogast Bhav.